Hey everyone! Welcome back to Home Decor 101. Today we're diving into one of the most loved and timeless styles out there, industrial home decor. There's just something about that raw, rugged charm that mixes exposed metals and warm woods and vintage-inspired details that makes people feel at home while still looking effortlessly stylish. The best part? You don't have to spend a fortune to achieve the look that you love. I've rounded up some of the best industrial home decor finds on Amazon for under $50, and each one proves that it's possible to decorate beautifully while sticking to a budget. All these products I will be showing you today are linked in the description box below, so you can check them out easily after watching. Let's jump right in. So this freestanding coat rack is an industrial style gem built with sturdy metal and rustic round shelves, plus 8 double hooks for all of your everyday essentials. It's a smart, space-saving organizer perfect for entryways or bedrooms. So this 3-tier console table brings industrial style and smart storage together in a compact package. At just 30 inches high, it fits perfectly behind a sofa or even in a small entryway with 3 open shelves. No worries, if you want to organize things or store them where they're not so visible, just use a basket. Not going to lie to you, I thought this was so cute. You can add a bold industrial touch to your space with this shipping container tissue box cover. It's crafted from sturdy all-metal construction. It fits extra large tissue boxes and brings a really rugged modern aesthetic to your space. It's also available in a ton of colors. You can also bring a little bit of boldness to your space with this steampunk cow skull wall decor. Now I know not everyone likes cow skulls, but this is a faux piece and I feel like it really fits in with an industrial touch. It's a 3D bullhead sculpture. Use it in your living room, your bedroom, your kitchen. It also makes a really good gift. So you can also upgrade your walls with this set of vintage steampunk wall art. It's a set of 4. Now they are unframed, so you will have to find frames for them. But it just brings a lot of industrial charms, and as you see, if you are going the industrial route, go ahead and search some steampunk as well, because of a lot of that will go ahead and fit in this style. Just because you're going industrial doesn't mean that you don't want a nice beautiful chandelier. You don't have to have sconces everywhere. I found the perfect one and look how cheap it is. Now it comes in a variety of sizes and this is just one that you can play around with. So you see in every picture it's a different way to hang it. Some people have it spread out, some people have a little more together, some people put a big beam across the ceiling and wrapped it around there, but it's a good way to distribute light and add some really nice interest to your area. Probably one of my favorite finds throughout the whole video. Remember, we are staying under $50 and that makes it a little more difficult, but this vintage double-sided wall clock, oh my goodness, chef's kiss. You can use this inside and outside. I do think inside would be a little better though, just so you don't have to deal with the elements, but this looks like something you would see at an old-timey or vintage like train station. This is just perfect to me. Of course, you're gonna need some wall art, and how much more industrial can you get that this faux airplane propeller wall decor comes in a variety of colors, a variety of sizes, and it really just gives you that pop of something different that you don't normally see, but it still ties into your theme. I thought this was so beautiful. I wish you could find like a really big one. I'll have to be on the lookout for that one, but I do love these as well. So we don't have to stop our industrial spree when we get to the bathroom. This is a 3-light vanity light, and this is perfect for farmhouse, but this is also perfect for industrial. You see all the details they have here. It really ties in, and this is a good way to bring industrial into your restroom as well. And look at that price. It's not pricey at all. I believe this one is under $40, so it's a great way to tie in your style everywhere in your home. You know, when you are decorating in a certain style, it really is all about the details. And these industrial pipe coat racks, like the little hangers, oh my goodness, this is so cool. You can just pop them on your wall. Now, I like this look. A person got a red board and put them on there, and you have a coat hook or a place to hang your keys. And this person used them in their kitchen. You can use these all around your house, and it's a good way to stay on theme still. These are just so cool. So this is an industrial style wall sconce, and look how beautiful this is. Really easy to put together. You will have to drill it on your wall, but that doesn't take much. Just add a couple of screws and drill it in, and it plugs in. And just look how unique that looks. Provides good ample lighting for you. I could see this in a living room, a bedroom, you know, your dining room. So many ways that you can use this, and it really does look one of a kind. So I thought this would be a really good decor piece for a bookshelf, just something to kind of add some knickknacks on there, but not a lot, and ones that make a statement. This is an initial little marquee light up lamp. Now they aren't super big, so check and see that it meets your size requirements that you want. They do come in different sizes, but you can use these all around your house. I think this would be beautiful for an industrial style rustic wedding. Now, I am a girly that loves an electric wax warmer, but you don't have to get one of the standard, you know, routine looking ones that you get from the big box stores. Go ahead and find one that fits your aesthetic. In this case, we're looking some that has some industrial vibes, and I think I found the perfect one for you. Not too expensive. Of course, you can use those little wax warmer cups that come in it that make cleanup a breeze, and I think this just will tie in so well. So I told you guys before, one of my favorite tricks is throwing in a little steampunk when you are decorating with industrial. And look at this little metal steampunk man robot lamp. This is so cool. You can change the size and the shape of the light bulb that you're using in it. Going to give you a different look. And this, of course, gives light. It gives a certain aesthetic, but it just gives you something different that you don't see. I really thought this was super cute. So I absolutely love this industrial pipe towel rack, okay? Look at that, it just screams industrial. Of course you can use it as a towel rack, but you can use it for so many more options, whether you want to use it in your bathroom. I've seen people use it in your kitchen behind some cupboard doors, like this person hanging teacaps, or hang your hanging plants from it. So many ways you can use this. It ties right in with your industrial vibe and it looks super gorgeous. I also love this small little nook lamp is what I call it. Now it runs off battery, okay, so you don't have to have an outlet to go ahead and plug it in. I believe you get two of them, and here's what I like the most about it. It has 3 different color settings that you can use. One is a deep like yellow orangey color, one is just kind of your regular light, and one is a white light. So you can use these around your house both inside and out, and this will alleviate the need for a lamp that has to be plugged in. So quite safer, and it uses batteries. Next, we have this small side table. Use it in your living room. Use it as a nightstand. If you have a small entryway, use it in there. Just use it as an extra space to go ahead and store whatever items you have. Now, all of the little shelves are open, so if you need to, you can grab a basket, maybe put a basket at the top, put your keys in, anything you need to grab and go out the door. And from what I've seen, the assembly is very easy. So I wanted to show you these super cute ceramic vases as well. This is a set of 3. They are handcrafted. Gives you a matte finish, these beautiful neutral tones that flow in so good with the industrial home decor style. And you can put your pampas grass, your dried florals, whatever in there. You can use them together or separate them throughout your house. I think these are beautiful. I love a good coffee table bowl, and I have found the perfect one for you in the industrial style. This is going to be a metal or iron serving tray. You can use them on your coffee table, or you can use one in your kitchen to add or to hold like fruit and just decor. Now you're going to get 2 of them, which is awesome, and this is going to perfectly tie in with the theme and the vibe that you're going for. If you're a person that loves to collect and keep your wine corks, this is the cutest little accessory for you to have. Stick it in your bar or in your kitchen. Now, what I love about it, all the corks that you keep, go ahead and write a little note and permanent mark on there about when you open that bottle, and this little container becomes almost like a visual trip memory lane for you. This is just such a good idea. I haven't seen these before. And there you have it, the best industrial home decor products on Amazon that can instantly help transform your space with that cool urban meets cozy vibe. Whether you're just starting to build your industrial look or you're adding those finishing touches, these budget-friendly finds make it easy to create a home that feels both stylish and personal. Don't forget, all of the items I shared are linked down in the description box so you can shop them right away. But listen, if you've enjoyed this video and you want more home decor inspiration, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Home Decor 101, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Remember, no matter if you choose to go industrial for your home or something out of the ballpark like shabby chic, the thing that matters most is that you have a happy family in your home as well as a feeling of gratitude. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.